come to your house.
Really? Sorry, I was talking with my people. Let's go.
Look at you. So will you drop your bag?
Oh, should I drive?
No, don't worry. I'm just going to drive it.
Anoka! I'm out for you.
What is it?
Yeah, you want to just pass like that?
I will not pass. I will fly over. I did not see you. Ibudago. I don't blame you. Look at you. You are not smiling. Eh? You combed your head today because your trap has caught big animal.
Anuka, what's
Nonsense.
wrong? Okay, why are you still bitter? Just let things go.
I will let things go. Who is this one? Ask girl. Oh, you have not collected your things. The hair. All the things you are wearing. Collect it now. Even don't let her go with you or you put her in the boot. Nonsense.
It's okay. Yeah.
I'm still talking here, you're holding her.
So just
you see your life. You see your life. Don't think you have made it though. Don't think that you have made it. Do you understand? You see that village city you are going to. By the time you get there, you will not eat any food that you digest. Any food you eat will hang. I'm telling you.
Anuka, go and farm. Go and stop talking.
Madam, go and hide inside the boot. Look at you. Ask girl, go and hide inside the boot.
Oh.
Remove all those things, all those artificials.
Oh
you collected from your madam. Give it to her back. Nonsense. That one you will see. You will see.
Do not worry, okay? See, when I get to the city...
You still talking. I will still get you. You go leave this village. You come back and see me, I will be rich. You will see. And you will not make it. Look at who is talking. You will become my house girl that time. Never!
This guy is just a crazy guy.
What man?
Do not worry, once I get to the city, I will secure a job for him in one of my father's firm. If he refuses, then I will know that he's serious. Yes.
Really?
He needs it.
You're just a nice person.
You can say that again.
Thank you very much.
It's okay.
You know he's my good friend.
I know. It's okay. Let's go. Don't mind that crazy.
God they give money when it is your turn, he go give you.
Osonjo, please, I'm so sorry. Osonjo, please. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry from the depth of my soul. I'm deeply sorry. Please forgive me. I treated you so badly. It was entirely my fault. I felt so insecure. I thought you don't love me, that you only married me because of my father's wealth. Please forgive me.
Can you listen to yourself at all? That I got married to you because of your father's wealth. When I am out of your life, out of your family, out of that bondage you call marriage, go and look for a rich man's son to marry so that you both can feed him. As for me, I'm out.
No, Osonjo. Truly, I love you. I love you so much. In as much as I was treating you so badly, you were still showing me so much love and care. And that really tells me that you were a good man. There is none like you. Please, I have realized that now. My father is gone. My brothers are gone. Please, come and take their place in my life. Be my father, be my brother, be my husband. If you can't forgive me, at least for the sake of my sick mother, find a place in your heart to forgive me, Mama, please.
It's okay.
Forgive me and come be the only man in our family. There is no other person except you. Please.
It's okay, Stella. It's okay. Forgive us too. I have forgiven myself. That is how good I can be to I've forgiven myself. Because, you know, it's because of my own selfishness that I caused all this. But I am truly sorry. Forgive us.
Mama, I should be the one asking for forgiveness.
Let me be the one to ask.
To tell you that I am really, really sorry.
Yes.
I'll buy a house for you people. I'll buy a house for you, Anuka and Ijoma. I don't want you to live in the village no more. I want you to come over to the city and I'll get a good job for Anuka and Ijoma.
A house for us?
Yes, a house. Please.
Is it a bungalow or an upstairs?
A duplex, Mama.
Duplex?
I will.
Hey.
I will.
I know.
Big my
Osando.
Osando. You know go duplex. You've had duplex now. Osando. I'm out of this bondage called marriage. And when I say move, I move.
Osando, you can't.
Mama, he said move.
You can't move alone. You know, in my family, when we say we move, we all move. Don't forget the duplex.
No, Mama, I won't.
And the next one will be a car.
Mama, I will gladly do that.
I move.
Mama, please.
Osando! Osando!
Arrogance, no the pain. It will simply destroy you. Awesome.
Oh, my son.
Mama, please, I don't want to hear that thing from you, please. Obro Makarino duplex. What is all this? That was how you pushed me into this marriage. Do you know what I faced? Do you know what I faced in that marriage? Or do you know why I decided not to go back to that marriage? In asking, please, I should go back there? I should go back to that bondage? Or here I am, Biko?
Nah, it's no longer a bondage. She has changed. I mean, look at the humility. Now you could tell that she has repented. She's changed. Oboria.
So, Mama, you fell for that thing she did. Ha! Mama, that girl is a professional actress. You're acting with two sins. Go me here. So you thought she meant it. That girl is evil. She's a devil. In fact, she's everything evil.
Brother, but didn't you hear what she said she would do for us? Yes, now.
You see the problem I have with you people? It's all about what you want. What you will get, what you will benefit, what she will do for you, and what she won't do for you. How about my happiness? You people think about my happiness? Does my happiness ever mean anything to the both of you?
She said duplex. We move into the duplex.
You know, brother, she said duplex. Let's move into the duplex now. Okay, see what will happen. Let me go with you. Or better still, let brother Anuka go with you. Maybe come so that we'll move together.
If there's a problem, either of them can fight for you. We move
together.
We move
together.
You can go, Mama. You can join them. Anuka can join you people. But as for me, going back into my father's house.
Hey.
Mama, hey!
God they give money when it reach your turn, he go give you your own. If it's in ego, no worship money. Why your cage you fed your cool ni jenu? Uwabu college yo, onye ne jona muta iye de no wadobu. Anyukwa.
Ona abunije,
Mama.
We
have to start going before it gets late. Okay,
take care of my son.
Of course, Mama. You don't even need to say it twice.
Police also.
Okay, God forbid. I will not. Okay. Meanwhile, I would like you to have this, at least for now, just 200k. You know, just
200,000 naira. For me?
Just manage it. I'll still send you more.
Mom, God bless you.
Thank you so much. It's okay, Mama.
Mama, it's nothing. And you will send more. Of
course.
Hey.
Thank you.
Hello.
Honey, give you.
I will see.
Let's go. Thank you.
Brother. Hey. Hey, what?
Osando. Oh,
We've sorted things out.
So, we have sorted things out.
Yes, we've sorted
It's
things out.
alright. It's alright.
Brother, take care of yourself.
Mind your business. Also,
Honey,
take care of Stella. Oh, nah.
I will.
All right.
honey,
But
drive.
take each of my own.
Mama.
Mama,
Okay.
keep calling us. So
Bye.
if there's any issue,
Remember.
don't test.
Brother, take
Yes,
care of yourself,
police.
yeah?
Nah, take care of her.
You have sorted this out. Okay. Mama,
Bye.
are you allowing your son to go? I've said my own.
Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey.
I was hearing one.
Mommy, she said next time she comes. Bye. Hey.
Mama, I was hearing 200,000.
Let me check it. Let me check it.
Mama, the money now.
Mama, you must bring the money.
Mama, what you doing?
Yeah. Never!
Mama, what you doing?
Never.
Mama, bring the money.
Never!
Mama, bring the money.
Mama, open it. Is that how you like money?
See, Mama.
Hey, Mama, open it.
Never!
Mama, you have to give me my own money. Oh.
Push it!
Mama!
Okay. I wonder what is keeping them. Oga may not want to come back.
Look at you. You are still wondering what is keeping them. See, let me tell you, thank God that I am not Oga. Yes, had it been I am in Oga's shoe, I will just run away from there. Yes, Madam will not see me again. I'm telling you the truth though.
But she's now a changed person. What about that?
Eh?
She has changed.
Change again.
Yes.
And I'm working Benanka. Eh? What will she be learning at this age? How to cook or how to respect person? see, let me tell you something. I believe this will stand as a lesson to others out there. It will show them that money is not everything. Yes.
Do you know what? She told me that I'll begin to teach her how to cook.
Eh? You don't mean it?
Yes.
That means we will be enjoying.
Yes.
Me and you.
Freedom everywhere.
Freedom.
You jumping, you be like me. What a fresh photo.
How will you do?
Mama, I'm not sure of this plan.
How?
I'm not sure.
She has given us money already. Aubrey.
Then in that case, let's follow them immediately to the city.
Bam.
So that before they open the gate and enter, we will enter immediately.
I don't think so. Let them go. Eh? We need to give them space to enjoy their marriage for once. On their own. Then after that, we can go. And that is why I stopped Ijoma from living with them at the initial time.
Yeah, so, Miss, if I can't even wait to go to the city, I can't wait to get a good job. I'm so happy, Mama.
You see, at a point we thought that all hope was lost. Mana Bible say, ask you shall receive. Seek if I feature. Seek Kenya, you will find it.
Yes, so.
The way I'm seeing this thing, I think she has a plan. That's why I'm saying, let's go now. If we thought we are going to go to this, let's go now. Before they open gate and enter, we will enter. They won't close it. Because the way I'm seeing her now is that she wants to lure us to the city. I know what I'm saying, because if they want to deal with us there, I will jump fence.
Because before you jump, kufenne. Eh?
If she wants to start again, I'll be there and do the fight with her.
Okay. It won't come to that.
I'm not afraid of her.
Hey! Mama, so let's share the money.
Hi, babe. You're back?
What did you just call me?
Babe?
Babe? Who is your babe? My name is Osondo. Call it. Call it.
Osondo.
Good. Have you made something for me to eat?
Made food.
ASAP. Food. Move. Fast. Hurry up! promise me.
Honey, I did.
You're not doing it well. Mop it. Mop it, yes. Mop. No, don't just mop. Bend down. Yes, go down. Bend down, yes. Mop it. Come with mop.
Oga, please, don't do this to her. Please.
Who invited you into this? Are you mad? Now come this way. Turn, idiot. Kneel down there. Kneel down there. Answer. Close your eyes. Remain there. What are you looking at? Go back to what?
Okay.
Mop it.
I'm mopping it.
Drink now. Mop it.
What are you doing?
Come on.
No.
You mop this thing.
Mopping it.
Mop it. Mop. What do you know how to do? You don't know how to carry the bucket. Carry it. Acting lazy. Mop it.
I'm mopping.
Can't cook. Can't do anything. The only thing you know how to do is makeup. Mop. Now, go down. Go down. Bend. You're not bending properly. I'm going to flog you. I'm going to flog you.
Sorry.
Bend.
I'm tired.
What's my business? You're tired. Mop. Yes, mop.
I'm mopping.
Yes, say it. I am mopping.
Huh?
You out of your mind. I am mopping.
I am mopping.
Good, say it. I am mopping. Keep repeating it. I am mopping. I am mopping. I am mopping. Mop strong. Mop strong. I am. You are. I am mopping. I am mopping. I am mopping. I will mop. Yes, go ahead. Stop looking at me. Do your job.
Honey.
Who is your honey?
Honey.
I am mopping. I am mopping. Mop. Mopping. Now, clean it. Clean it. I am mopping. I am mopping. I am mopping.
I'm tired. Please help me on me.
Oh, yeah, go there. Go and kneel down. Kneel down there. Kneel down there. Kneel. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Up. Close your eyes.
Think you have it all. You look down on the part. One you should see as your king.
You were saying something.
Your will is not God's will. Your desire never is. He has his own way of confrontation. Arrogance in all the pain. It will simply destroy you. Better learn respect.
My goodness! What is going on here? So what is this?
I don't understand. Is it that you're blind or too old to notice that we're having fun?
Have you lost your mind? You brought girls to my father's hotel and you still have the mouth to talk?
You are the one who has lost your mind. You know why? Because it's an open place. I can bring anybody I want into this place and spend my money.
You don't have that right!
Madam, please, excuse us. Can't you see we are busy?
Tell her. I'm busy. You're robbing that place.
Also, do you pay for this?
I'll do transfer for you later. 150, 100. Yeah. Oh, yeah. 150, 100.
Arrogance in all the pain. It will simply destroy you. Better learn respect. Oh, before you
Home, sweet home.
Yeah.
Mama, welcome to your new home.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
How come you came with everybody? Why? You didn't tell me.
When you say everybody, you mean my family?
What's the meaning of that? No, what exactly are you saying? Didn't you invite us? That's how she would talk to me. I'm giving it back.
Don't mind her, mommy. Now listen to me, Stella, or whatever you call yourself. It's called payback time.
Yes.
We're here to revenge all you've been doing to my innocent brother.
City, here we come. See, let me tell you, we have come, oh. No going back. You know me. If I get angry, I will start destroying this house. Yes. And I want to go inside. If there's any food there, let's finish it.
Honestly, I don't understand this. Honey, with due respect, you don't have any right whatsoever to bring your family without telling me. It's unacceptable. I won't accept that.
I am the man of this house. I decide what happens in this house. This is my beloved family, and of course, they're welcome to my home.
When I say we move,
We move! Move it! Move it!
Don't do that to me! Leave me alone!
Oh my God.
Get your
My father's house!
Your father's house! If there's any food in that house, I'm going to finish it! Never!
I don't understand. What sort of madness is this? This is my father's house! I'm crying out loud! What is going on? What are you doing?
Mama, this one not of enjoyment though. Look at what she gave us. What kind of food is this?
It's the one we've seen. Let us manage. Man, I can't wait. Make sure you prepare apple and don't phone because if I be well, you got that. What kind of nonsense?
Fam, please. We are not comfortable with what we have here. We can go out and eat. I mean, there's a lot of money.
My brother.
I bought it there. You can take this one later.
What's the meaning of this? I don't understand it. You came home with your family, went into the kitchen, dished all the food I made. I've not eaten since morning. Why are you doing this to me?
Do you still need to eat? I've been the one starving and you've been eating. It's about that time we turn the table around. Let me eat while you starve. After all, you're looking for shape.
What are you even eating? So look at what you offered to Anuka. Anuka came from village to the city. Look at what you gave me to eat. Instead of apple, then us will hear about this thing.
Anyway, brother, see what will happen here. Since she said she's hungry, give her small bone to eat.
Let's not even marry the bone.
Give her bone straight. Bone straight bone.
Pop this.
What nonsense is this? Also, I will not take this. I will not take this.
Make sure you are going to prepare apple for us. If not, don't come back here.
I will not. If they see you, not going to.
What can I show you?
Choose someone. They are very.
But you said we should have given her small bone to eat now.
She's not even worth the bone.
Sold respect and dignity, full of pride and mean. Make a change because
Oh my God! It's a dream. It's a dream. Honey, please pack.
simply destroy you. Better learn respect. Before it's too late, arrogance in all the pain. It will simply destroy you. Better learn respect. Before it's
Have you really forgiven me? Are you still angry with me?
I don't understand. Well, of course I've forgiven you. Why are you asking?
No, honey, I don't think so. I don't think you have forgiven me. I had such a terrible dream and it's not good at all. Please forgive me. Please.
I have nothing against you. Listen, darling. All I want is for us to have peace, for us to go back home and live happily ever after. I want you to respect me. I will always respect you. It's as simple as that. I didn't marry you because of your father's wealth. Let's say I did, but not anymore. I love you, and all I want is for us to have peace. I'll make money, I'll work hard, I'll have enough money to take care of you.
Thank you, Mingo. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Come on, it's okay.
Thank you. I need a dream. I don't like such dream.
It's only a dream. Good.
For wealth, see where I have landed. No freedom to exercise my manly powers. Treated like a fool, controlled like a child. Can't say no to what is pleases me. Mama Ibugamo, Matego, you have sold me out for riches. Matego, you have reduced me to nothing. Makego, I have no voice in my marriage. Makego, Chimo Asaramata. A man like me, where is my authority? Married, yet like a nobody. Living in fears, that's what I see. And I know I would have caught it a quick. Who could save me from this? Matego, you have sold me out for riches, mama.